Hi, this is Power Webcam. Let me introduce you to Stripes, the Stripes, the alley cat, and Goldie, the orange and white cat. Today we're going to do Power Webkins short version. Do you like me to do it? It's an Anna Green Gable strip. If you know what that is. No, cause so awesome. Awesome. This is going to be on YouTube, so it's an comment and stuff. And please comment on the top 11 things you should never let your webkins do. Thank you. And eventually we'll have webkins take a bath. But we won't see you as these guys want to do something with you. Tomorrow's school, tomorrow.